Hi, I'm Jess. I'm the teacher, and I'll be teaching Language Arts 11, so welcome to class. This is a fully online course, and I will jump in and help you when needed, but that will be done via Zoom and by appointment. So if you read the disclosure, it will kind of go over what this class is going to cover. It is definitely a condensed version of a regular unit. I have exactly 13 lesson plans for you, and each of those lesson plans has one assignment. The assignments at the beginning of the quarter have, like the first couple of days, I think there's an exit ticket as well. So there's really technically two assignments, but only I've planned each day so that it will only take about 20 to 30 minutes to complete each day. I also have this set up that you don't have to do it every day, although I would suggest that you log in every day and just for the attendance, and then do a little bit of work. Because if you are too behind at the end, it's going to be really overwhelming, even though it's not a ton of work. So you could sit down, get as far as you can one day, and then just kind of pick up where you left off. Everything needs to be done and submitted by July 2nd at 2 p.m. because I need to have everything graded and sent in by 4 p.m. that same day. And I am going to be driving to Las Vegas that night. So please get it in before then, if you can. And I hope that the modules on Canvas are pretty user-friendly. I have it set up so most of it's on one page each day. There's a couple lingering things that I couldn't quite fit into one page because I needed you to submit a couple of things. So for the most part, I have created these things, my resources, through Google Drive. So all you have to do when there's an assignment is you go in, make a copy, go file, make a copy, and then it shows up in your Google Drive and you can type right into it. And then after you finish the assignment, then you upload it as from Google Drive. So don't upload it as a doc, upload it from Google Drive and then submit it. And then I should be able to see it and get it. Just make sure that the permissions are such that I have permission to access them. So telling you a little bit about this unit. This is one of my favorite units to teach, but I have to cut it way down, so only the best things are in this one. So this unit is taking history from the 60s, 70s, and 80s and looking at the music that came out during that time and comparing them. So seeing like how history is reflected in the music. We'll study a little bit about MTV. We're going to study Woodstock and just a few Beatles songs, and there's a lot of choice involved in this, so you get to pick and choose which songs you want to look at. And there's one big writing assignment. It's a half page, and it's on the very last day of class. So you most of the time are just going to be answering a few reflective questions and nothing too technical. This is supposed to be fun and just give you a chance to kind of dig into the poetry, because I feel like we don't get to do that a whole lot. And a lot of the songs that you'll analyze are ones you may have heard before, but probably don't have a solid understanding of the lyrics and where they came from. And so this could be really cool for you. If you have any questions, you can email me at jessica.lancaster@jordandistrict.org. You can call me at the phone number that is listed on the disclosure. Yep, that's the word. COVID. The disclosure statement, and it also has my Zoom meeting number. And if you want to log into Zoom, just let me know ahead of time, and I'm pretty flexible throughout the day. So I'm available morning, afternoon, night. You just have to tell me when, because I am a mom. I have a 3-year-old and a 6-month-old and 2 dogs, and it's not a situation where I have daycare all the time. So I'm pretty busy, but you are more than welcome to set up a time with me, and then I can help you out. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'm very nice, I promise. And my biggest hope is that you succeed in this class. I hate failing kids, especially with summer school. So please, since you're taking the extra time to do this and you've taken that first step, please complete this course and get this credit. Look forward to seeing you and reading your stuff.